Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce Major Project 1 or MP1, the Investigative Field Essay. In this video, I'll outline the major objectives and tasks of the project and discuss different elements of this project. We'll be reviewing the MP1 project overview, which you can find in the MP Resources module on Canvas. So let's talk first about the objectives of this project. Remember that our major objective this semester is to become successful composers and to prepare for academic writing at FSU. To help with this goal, you will use each of our major projects this semester, to explore a discourse community. More specifically, you'll explore the discourse community of your chosen major or future professional field. In MP1, you'll begin this exploration by researching your community and writing an investigative essay about your findings. Through this process, you'll both learn about your discourse community and practice academic research, which is another big objective of our course this semester. Now, let's talk about how you're going to accomplish this essay. MP1 is actually our biggest project of the semester. It's broken down into a series of tasks that move you through the research and writing process, which culminates in a 2,000-word research essay. On the project overview, you'll see this tasks section that generally outlines the steps you'll take to complete the project. Read these thoroughly. I want to draw your attention to a few key aspects. Tasks 1 and 2 ask you to identify your discourse community and the focus you want for your essay. Task number 3 is a research proposal, which asks you to answer a few questions about your project. This graded proposal encourages brainstorming and sets a clear path for your research project. Task number 4 asks you to engage in research. This project requires you to engage in 2 types of research, primary and secondary research. Primary research is research we conduct ourselves, like interviews, observations, or surveys. For your primary research in this project, you'll conduct 2 interviews with individuals in or connected to your field. They could be students in your major, professors, professionals working in the field, etc. Secondary research involves reading and watching existing research in the form of academic articles, podcasts, documentaries, newspaper articles, etc. You will be incorporating 6 sources into your investigative field essay. Task number 5 is an annotated bibliography. The annotated bib helps you to organize and evaluate the sources you encounter in the process of conducting secondary research. You are going to find 6 potential sources, 4 of which must be scholarly, which are peer-reviewed articles published in an academic journal, and you will write an annotation for all 6 sources. In each annotation, you're going to articulate the credibility, relevance, and potential connection of the source to your research topic. Task number 6 is a primary research report, which helps you to organize and evaluate what you learned from your 2 interviews. You'll also report on how it might fit into your essay. Task number 7 is drafting, reviewing, and revising the investigative field essay. We're going to complete 1 round of peer review on this essay. And finally, task number 8 asks you to reflect on your experience researching and writing this essay. The last section of the project overview explains the formatting guidelines and grading criteria, this criteria section. I want to point out one thing. This project overview gives a general overview of the entire project, the big picture. To find specific evaluation criteria for each assignment in this project, like the research proposal, the annotated bibliography, you're going to look for that particular assignment submission portal in the assignment section on Canvas. So go here to this assignment section, and then I want to learn more about what's required for the research proposal. So I'm going to look at MP1 research proposal right here. And this is going to give me the full instructions for that particular assignment, and the criteria, the word count, and how it's going to be evaluated, and any formatting information. Those submission portals on Canvas will give you more specific information about each individual assignment, so be sure to review those. Lastly, A quick reminder, this project moves fast. We do a lot of work in a very short amount of time. So contact your potential interviewees this week to schedule an interview. That can be in person, over the phone, via Zoom call. It also can be over email or some kind of messenger feature. But you want to schedule those this week before the primary research report so that you'll be sure to be able to complete the interview before the primary research report is due. And that's our introduction to MP1. Review this project overview carefully and check out the submission portals. Then return to our weekly overview in Canvas for your next steps. Thanks so much. Let's get researching.